Okay, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we are here at Restoration Hardware in Atlanta with none other than Rashida, the owner of Modest Loft Interiors. And this is me, Faith P. You should already know. If you don't, welcome to the channel. So we are here today to talk about how to make your house a home. I get a lot of new build clients and we really need to go over how to make that house a home. And you are the perfect person to talk about it. So I really appreciate that. So tell us more about you and Modest Loft.
I started my business a few years ago. I pretty much deal with new builds as well, renovations. And I just try to amplify your space and make your house a home. So that's what we're here to do today.
And she definitely does an amazing job. Now, what do you like best about modern, Rashida?
The thing that I like best are clean lines. You'll find with more modern spaces, simple is more. So you don't have to overthink it, overcrowd the space.
Right.
You can put things in it that are more functional, but stylish. So this room is a really great example of that. If you take a look at this room, it's doing 3 different things for you. It's giving you a living room space. So let's say the TV is on that wall. You definitely have the seating. You can relax here. And then another part is giving you office. So just very simple. Your books are there. You can sit your laptop there. You have ample room for your desk area. And then the last thing, which I love always, is your quiet space. So maybe you do want to relax and just, watch TV, or your friends are sitting here and you're here. So it gives you the additional seating. So I would say that's one of the best things about modern, just the clean lines and the simplicity.
Let's talk about bedrooms next. Come on with us as we go talk about the bedrooms.